Welcome. In front of me I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how you can activate location tags on your photos. So you have to go for the camera at the first. Right now tap on the left upper corner on the settings and find GPS location info. Click here, tap allow only while using the application, so we have to basically grant the permission to the location for our camera. And that's it. Right now when you take a photo and go for the details, you will see the exact location of the photo. So take a look. Right now let's go for the information of the photo. And as you can see, there we got location. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.